Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be Eddy here, your host who loves you the most. Welcome to my day 20 in Godot game engine. Me, I'm the guy, the responsible one. This time, well, first one important things. If you're first time here and you're watching the stream recording, you can check at the end, because this is not planned ahead in detail, so I don't know what will happen through the whole stream. And I'll do the summary at the end of the video about last an average 10 minutes. So you can check for that over there. Of course, coming on live is always, I don't know, a thing. It's always a thing. These are, I do this kind of now, past 2 months, almost past 2 months, dailies, switching between Blender, Godot, and also more like freestyling with my arts. Here with Godot, I'm in day 20, got real comfortable, and I want to actually go further. Do I have, or yeah, I have, so this is like an intro part, but I also have to tend to the live side of this event, tend to my live audience. So this is for you who are watching the recording. Hope I'm not too quiet, too loud. Did I turn off the mic? No, I didn't. So everything is on. Okay, let me switch here for a second. Over here, these are the previous tutorials I've made, and I'll be reusing them. There's a one more from so these are in Godot 4.3. It's the 3D creeps, 2D creeps, and the classic shoot 'em up from Kids Can Code recipes for Godot 4. And I've got something for Godot 3. I was like maybe really curious. And the latest development where I've stopped last time is using constructive solid geometry and also lighting in the scene. And I'm thinking about, at one point, combine all these, like for example, for 3D game, the dodge, the creeps, use them to invite them to this 3D scene, and also combine 2D scenes into 3D for like a parts of I don't know, game collectibles, parts of user interface, so on. Didn't decide clearly, well, what I'll actually do, which practical side I'll do. I know I want to look into aspects of, there is an article and tutorial, I hope, the procedural runner, infinite runner game, procedural maze, something like a ball rolling down the maze, procedural, then procedural map. It's not that much of a topic about, well, it is about proceduralism. I just want to go through it and see how to create those assets for a scene, generate a scene space that is playable, play space, play area, that expands in real time. It's generated during real time. Is it procedural? Hey, I think we passed that, the proceduralism. I'm interested in it because it helps developing during development, it helps create game content to shorten the amount of time that it takes to create specific assets. So during development, you need often a playtest areas and don't have time to create them. So proceduralism there comes into place, useful. Sometimes I think that procedural game implementation, like game content, is more like a disrespectful in a way. Like, oh, I don't want to bother creating a game content for you. And so on. And then I want to take a look at one tutorial from devlog blog, some of the sites with a lot of Godot articles for a breakdown, 20-parter of a platformer game. I'm not gonna go through big tutorials anymore. I think I just want to check for a specific implementation, so they're like instancing different enemies, maybe level switching. Also, I think pickups, music, sound effects. There aren't many tutorials that deal with sound effects. And also see how to manage resources, so-called. There is a resource class or a node and object in the Godot. How to check that, and also the entity oh, what? I forgot completely. Component entity pattern, design pattern. That's also interesting. Well, put it more simply, dynamic loading as described probably in the official documentation. And that would be for the official intro for the day 20. For you watching the recording, I'll hit now. I'll switch to the live aspects here of the stream. Thanks for checking out. I'm curious about your thoughts. What would I... Well, let's share. Come on, let's Eddy, share. Don't be like that. Share, Eddy. Usually I would have this on. Share. My dashboard. But I can make it more interesting like this. So I can share two screens actually here. Oh yeah, nice. So you can see here the dashboard. I need to bring in the live and Trove, the chats. took day 2 off. It was a strategic move to take rest. And actually it helps to stay away from, I don't know. Yeah, I know, it's not that I don't know. From these huge, take breaks from these huge runs, dailies. So weird. What was my last? Oh, my last stream was daily, was the arts day 5. Before that, it was the Blender day, I think 15. Was it Blender last day 15? 3 days ago, 5 days ago. Very interesting. I created something that was animation that was coming a reoccurring thought in my mind, like, okay, dude, why don't you do this? Animate this, please. To animate a one hand-drawn a Christmas kind of pseudo-political Christmas style paradigm kick Christmas themed illustration, and I've done it. So it was just a frame flipping GIF animation just to see how it would work with the app I use. But actually I made a video version with 3D effects like lightning and electricity sparkling from a photo, and also that hand-drawn illustration. I'll show you. Oh look, I muted the music. Okay, I'm checking the live streams. Make sure that I've got what I need to keep an eye on the performance, yeah? But you get the quality assurance. What did I say? I made a promise to show you the next thing, so I'll close these. And to jump quickly over here. I've got it also on my website. So this is one GIF version. It was not a app for, well, the app can create animation, but it was made, I don't use it often, so it was like just a quick slap few frames on to get it out. But actually this is the premium product end result. And if I had this in mind, but not exactly like this. Something like this, but not exact. So this was compiled in with Windows Legacy Photo Video Editor app. It has the 3D effects with sound. I really like them. So, it's Christmas, everybody. Respect the higher authority. There you go. Respect the authority. I'll take this somewhere, not sure exactly where. This will go further. I'll also, while I'm at it, what else I made was the... Where's the other one? Here it is. So it's these two versions. One 16 colors, and GIF one is the video, one is the 256 colors GIF. That is from the day 5 Arts of Multimedia Eddy, and I've created I can call it a series of NFTs, which are these. I didn't drop them yet. I'm not sure where will I drop them. To drop them on Solana, it would be possible to... I have a facility on the Access protocol. You can use their facilities to drop these, but you need to subscribe, and then I'll set the date for minting. These turned out quite good. Very satisfied with it. And since everything looks in order on the stream, before getting, well, let me prepare actually also. I need to switch here. Yeah, you need. What I usually also do is create a dedicated post on my website right away. So it's day 20, but I'll remove this. I need to remove the image just so it doesn't confuse anybody, and I can remove parts of these. So it's a blank. I'll keep the video for a placeholder for the new video. And I can publish this right away. And here make sure that it's... Oh, it's published right away. How come? That's good, that's good. That's good. So this is the stream video from day 19, but I'll reuse the placeholder in the code. I could even actually put in here yeah, I'll actually put it right now. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Nice, nice, nice. I'll actually, on the other PC, I'll make it happen. And edit this. I've got the URL for the video, so everyone can actually watch the live stream straight from the page. I can double check on 2 places, so we'll be live there and there. Yeah, it's live. Let's see. I can double check on 2 places. Nice, nice, nice. So we'll be live there and there. So there you go. Yeah, it's live. A live video in the custom page, my own website. Nice, 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 nice.